Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of manifestation to turn your imagination into reality. If you've ever wondered how to manifest your desires, overcome limiting beliefs, or tap into your full potential, you're in the right place. In this video, we will explore the teachings of two renowned experts in the field, Neville Goddard and Dolores Cannon, who have provided invaluable insights into unlocking the power of the subconscious mind. Through their techniques and methodologies, we will learn how to harness the power of imagination, reprogram limiting beliefs, and manifest our desires with ease. Whether you're new to the concept of the subconscious mind or seeking to deepen your understanding, this guide will provide you with the tools and knowledge to transform your life. So, let's dive in and discover the limitless potential that lies within your subconscious mind. Unlocking the power of the subconscious mind is a transformative journey that can lead to personal growth and manifestation of desires. Two influential figures in this field, Neville Goddard and Dolores Cannon, have provided valuable teachings and techniques to tap into the immense potential of the subconscious mind. Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher and author, emphasized the power of imagination and visualization in manifesting our desires. He believed that by vividly imagining our desired outcomes and feeling as if they have already happened, we can activate the creative power of our subconscious mind to bring them into reality. He always believed that by consistently visualizing your desired outcomes and feeling the associated emotions sends a clear message to your subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desired reality. Real-life examples and success stories of individuals who have applied Neville Goddard's teachings serve as inspiration and proof of the potential of the subconscious mind. You can read these stories on Reddit, Quora. These stories highlight the transformative power of aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires, ultimately leading to the manifestation of your goals and dreams. However, it is important to acknowledge that working with the subconscious mind may come with its limitations and challenges. Deep-rooted subconscious blocks and limiting beliefs can hinder our progress and prevent us from fully harnessing the power of our subconscious mind. Overcoming these blocks requires self-awareness, introspection, and a willingness to confront and release any negative patterns or beliefs. Consistency and persistence are key when working with the subconscious mind. It is not a quick fix or an overnight process. It requires dedication and a commitment to consistently aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires. Dolores Cannon, on the other hand, explored the realm of past life regression and deep hypnosis to access the subconscious mind. Through her work, she discovered that the subconscious mind holds a wealth of information and experiences from past lives. By delving into these memories and accessing the subconscious mind, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of themselves, their purpose, and the universe. Tapping into the power of the subconscious mind can have profound effects on our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It can transform our lives by enabling us to manifest our desires, create positive outcomes and experiences, and gain a deeper understanding of the universe. By understanding and harnessing the power of the subconscious mind, we can unlock the hidden secrets of the universe and uncover the untapped potential of our mind. Neville Goddard and Dolores Cannon have provided valuable tools and knowledge to assist individuals in tapping into the immense power of the subconscious mind. From positive affirmations and visualization techniques to past life regression and deep hypnosis, their teachings offer practical ways to activate the power of the subconscious mind and manifest our desires. Friends, think of the subconscious mind as a vast reservoir of information and experiences that we have accumulated throughout our lives. These experiences, whether positive or negative, influence our thoughts and actions on a subconscious level. They can either propel us forward or hold us back from realizing our true potential. One key aspect of harnessing the power of subconscious mind is reprogramming the subconscious mind. By identifying and overcoming limiting beliefs that are held in the subconscious, we can create new patterns of thinking and behavior that align with our desires and goals. There are various techniques that can be used to access and reprogram the subconscious mind. Affirmations, visualization, and hypnosis are just a few examples. These techniques help bypass the conscious mind and directly communicate with the subconscious, which is highly receptive to suggestion. By consistently feeding the subconscious mind with positive and empowering thoughts and images, we can begin to manifest our desires more effectively. In the process of manifestation, aligning our conscious and subconscious minds is crucial. When these two aspects of our mind are in harmony, we can focus our energy and attention on what we truly want. This creates a powerful magnetic force that attracts our desires into reality. Moreover, the subconscious mind can also serve as a gateway to our intuition and inner wisdom. By quieting the conscious mind and tuning into the subconscious, we can tap into a deeper level of understanding and guidance. This connection can provide valuable insights and inspiration on our path to personal growth and manifestation. Reprogramming limiting beliefs is another powerful technique for personal growth and manifestation. Limiting beliefs are usually held in the subconscious mind and are often caused by stressors and negative influences in our lives. By changing our focus to positive beliefs and adopting a mindset of positivity, we can overcome these self-limiting beliefs. One effective method for reprogramming limiting beliefs is to identify them and create positive belief statements. These statements should be stated in the present tense and address one cohesive idea. For example, if you have a belief that you will never leave work, you can reframe it into a positive belief statement, such as, "I have the freedom to create a work-life balance that aligns with my desires." Unlocking the power of your subconscious mind is a transformative journey filled with self-discovery and endless possibilities. By delving into the teachings of Neville Goddard and Dolores Cannon, we have learned that our imagination, beliefs, and assumptions shape our reality. With the power of our subconscious mind, we can manifest our desires and break free from limiting beliefs that hinder our growth. So go forth, armed with the knowledge and techniques shared in this guide, and embark on your own personal growth journey. Trust in the power of your subconscious mind and witness as your dreams manifest before your very eyes. Remember, dear friends, to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with the latest content that will help you in your manifestation journey. We value your support and appreciate your subscription. If you have any thoughts or insights about the video, please share them in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you and engage in a meaningful conversation. Together, we can inspire each other to reach new heights of manifestation. Before we part ways for now, I want to extend God's blessing to each and every one of you on your manifestation journey. May your desires manifest swiftly and effortlessly, bringing you joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Until we meet again in our next video, let's continue manifesting and creating the life we truly desire. Keep believing in the incredible power of your subconscious mind and watch as your dreams come to life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. May you be showered with blessings as you continue your manifestation voyage.